What is going on, YouTube modeling community? I'm back with another video. Today we got the 71 Duster. And after I talk about the Duster for a little bit too long, I've got some other updates on different builds. But this Duster AMT kit, really good kit. I didn't have any major fit issues. You know, every kit has a few small ones, like I say, pretty frequently, but this one, it went together pretty nice. So I went with a really metallic green. Like, you can hear the metallic just because of the way I did this. It was a Tester's Extreme lacquer, and so it's really metallic already, so I gave it a nice coat of that. And then I dust coated it twice more with the same color. And it is just super metallic. And that's the finish I was going for, so I'm very happy with that. Did a little bit of the chrome trim with the Molotov, which I would prefer to do bare metal foil, but it's really tough on small stuff like this. And I have the Molotov on hand, so I might as well use it. Got the black stripe, 340. Back windshield, we got that big Duster 340. Did body colored bumpers on this one because I think they look sharp on these cars. The wheels, I think I could have done better on the wheels, but from in the display case you'll probably only see it like this and a little bit down the sides, so I don't even care. The interior is classic gray, it's called. It's the same color I painted the C-130. A little bit of white and stuff here and there, white, chrome, black. And the carpet is this old jar of Tester's matte gray primer from the 80s. The engine bay is really nice in this kit. The hood, I just did a little bit underneath, nothing special. But this engine bay, I didn't make any of these parts. I didn't use parts from outside of the kit. I am very pleased with this. All sorts of detail. I did mix some colors. The orange for the engine is a custom mix. The exhaust is a custom mixed color. But it's got all the heater hoses, the AC lines. Really detailed. I'm really pleased with this. I could have also built it as a 4-barrel car, which is a nice option to have. But I'm very pleased with how all this came out in here. One of my favorite engine bays yet. Underneath, ain't much special about it. I did a little bit of light weathering. This is a summer daily driver of sorts. You know, it's got a little bit of road grime underneath, a few nicks and scratches, but nothing too major. The overspray is underneath. The way I did the overspray was I painted the underside here black, the whole chassis, and then when I painted the body, I actually clipped that into place. I taped it in the interior so that I could get the green overspray on frame rails, a little bit around the edges, up here. And I'm very happy with how that effect turned out. It's definitely one that I'd like to do more. It takes a little bit of extra time just to get everything taped together to do that, but I think it can add a lot to a model. That is it for the Duster. Definitely a good kit. Highly recommended. And moving that off the bench now, I also finished this Model A. Great kit. And I started this. Let me get this out of the vise. It's a little tea bucket. I painted it Model Masters Arctic Blue Metallic and put a clear coat over it. And it looks really dark on camera for some reason. It's not quite that dark, but it is a dark blue. It's really nice, really shiny, really happy with that. But what I'm most excited about here is the local shop finally got these in. Been waiting for a long time. I saw the kit released a little while ago. I finally made it up into town and got one. Great kit. I've already started building it, and I will give a little teaser on it. And the paint job is inspired by this picture right here, that P-47. It's on the other bench, and I'm hopefully going to be finishing that up. I'm going to let you go now because I've already rambled long enough. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you in the next video.